In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the recovery phone number in Gmail quickly and safely. This is really useful if you got a new phone number, change carriers, or just want to make sure your Google account recovery info is up to date. Keeping your recovery phone current helps you get back into your account if you ever get locked out, so it's definitely worth doing. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Gmail and Google account tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This will take you straight to your Google account settings. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Gmail account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one Google account. Once you're on the Google account page, look at the menu on the left side and click Security. This is where Google keeps all of your sign-in and recovery options, including your password, two-step verification, and recovery phone settings. Now scroll down until you find a section called How You Sign In to Google. Under that section, you should see an option labeled Recovery Phone. Click on it to open your current recovery phone settings. At this point, Google may ask you to verify your identity. If that happens, simply enter your Gmail password when prompted. This extra step helps protect your account and make sure only you can change sensitive security settings. After verification, you'll see your current recovery phone number. To update it, click the edit icon or the pencil icon next to the phone number. Then enter your new phone number carefully and make sure the country code is correct if needed. Once you've entered the new number, click Next. Google will then send a verification code to that phone number. Open your phone, check your messages, and enter the code exactly as shown. After you verify it, Google will save the new recovery phone number to your account. And that's it. Your Gmail recovery phone number has now been changed successfully. This means your account recovery information is updated and your account is better protected going forward. If you want, you can also take a quick moment to review your other recovery settings, like recovery email and two-step verification, so your account stays as secure as possible. A few extra seconds now can save you a lot of trouble later if you ever need to recover your Gmail account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process easy to follow. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.